Yo, what's up? Good day mga ka-runners. So today we have a 3K test run. So we'll run 1K for warm-up. Target pace 5 minutes per kilometer. Para 15 minutes sa 15 sa 3K tayo. Subukan natin today. This run pa rin is dedicated para sa PB attempt natin next week. I hope ma-maintain ko yung mga stamina na ginagawa natin. So come and join me. Let's have some fun and some papawis. Run safe guys. Peace. Today we are using the 6-1 Flame 3.5 carbon plated shoes for our 3K test run. Done for the warm up. So prepare lang ako for the run. 3K yon. Sana mga sub 15 natin. So that's our 3K test run. Again at Country Road, we finished a whopping time of 13 minutes and 56 seconds I think. Pero siguro sa Strava mga 14 minutes to. Pero other than that, nakapag-maintain naman ata tayo ng 4 minutes and 45 siguro in our run. So I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life for a better living. Let's go guys, run safe. Peace.